There's a fundamental, overwhelming amount of ignorance by most people walking this earth, most people in the U.S. who are simply clueless as to how the IRS operates and what your risks are overseas. And when I see comments, when we were watching the bill being passed, people comment, "Why don't they just pay their taxes? It's a good thing." Oh, just shut up. This is your opportunity to shut up, because you do not know what you're talking about. These are just regular people who happen to step on this third rail of compliance. These are things you don't have to deal with, because you're in the U.S. and someone's always taking care of your taxes for you. You get, and this is where it is. You get a W-2 form from your employer. There's a line right on your 1040. And even though your tax return is incredibly simple, I bet you I could take a look at it and say, hey, you know what, dummy? You screwed up here. Why did you pay your taxes? And so now you're going from something incredibly, completely different, where you have to create your own income statement to input into the tax return. There's no form to say, oh, let me put this here, 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 and here. I mean, a regular tax return.
And they could be in foreign languages.
Right. Oh, yeah. And translated in. And a foreign language. And also, there's no really U.S. equivalent to it. It's when you have an Indian certificate of deposit, you don't get anything until it ends. Till the 3-year term is up. You don't get anything. But the IRS says, well, every year you really are earning interest.
Oh, crap.
You're like, well, I got to calculate my interest on something I don't know. Yeah. And it's just so stupid because, honestly, you don't have a right to that interest on that year. Because if you took that money out, you lose it. You really don't get it till to the end.
That's so friggin' stupid.
Oh, yeah. So that's where, people just, that's just how when someone says, why don't they just pay their taxes? That's how you can just stop listening to them because they have nothing important to add.
Don't waste your time.
Yeah.
IRSMedic, the law offices of Parent, and Win, LLP. Real tax attorneys for tough tax problems.